Good morning, student. My name is Anand Vijay. Today we discuss about the new topic, creating a new desktop. That is the part of chapter 2, more on Windows from class 6. Students, we have already discussed about the lots of feature in the previous video. This is the part 4 in video lectures. In this video lecture, we have discussed about creating a new desktop. How to create a new desktop? Students, you have already aware about the task view. Task view show the different kinds of tasks in the maximized format or a big iconic format. You can switch from one task to another task. This is the purpose of task view. Now this is also fulfilled through the creating a new desktop. You find out there is the click on the task view button. How to create a desktop? The task view pane opens and displays the preview of the open window. Click on the new desktop button. At the bottom right corner of the task view pane, a new desktop thumbnail desktop 2 will be appear. Click on the thumbnail view of the new created desktop. So at first in the practical scenario, we have opened the different kinds of tasks in here. Okay, suppose we have opened here. Again we have opened to class 7 contents. That is like a chapter page 2. This is the another application we have opened here. Okay, again we have click on the class 9 sections and the types of computer contents. Okay, this is going to the open in the few seconds. This is the page. Now we click on the task view button. This one is the task view in the practical scenario. We click on that. Here find out it can be different pieces can be displayed. Either we move here from the class 9 or a class which one types of computer. This is the another task and your PDF files from your notes. These are the parts. We can move anywhere from here. You can just click on this one and you can move anywhere. We have come on to the types of computer. It will display in the maximized format. Again we click on the task view and we can move on to the again this one section. This will be open in the maximized format. You can perform the switch view option from the one desktop to another desktop. That is the purpose of task view. This can be also defined in the next steps. Next one is the closing the desktop. By using the cross button you can close it. Look, I have clicked on here and we have performed the closing option. We have closed types of computer, this file. We have closed again this one file. We have closed the class 9 related file. Now only there is the one task that will display onto the desktop. We have got to the maximized form. So task view provide lots of different kinds of file, whatever you have opened in the maximized big format of iconic picture. You can switch on one picture, one file to another file and it is going to the maximize. That's all for the today. Have a good day.